I'm Attorney George McCranie. I have offices in Douglas and Valdosta, Georgia. And I enjoy making videos to help people learn how to navigate their way through the Georgia criminal court system. And today I want to talk about what happens if you miss your arraignment. Okay, now the arraignment is your first court appearance after you've been charged. It's where you plead guilty or not guilty to the charge. Okay, now let me give you an example. Let's use a speeding ticket. All right, a simple speeding ticket. If you get a speeding ticket in the state of Georgia, it has a date on it that you have to appear for court. That's your arraignment date, where you plead guilty or not guilty to the charge. Now, if everybody has life happening, I mean, we've got kids, we've got medical appointments, we've got work, we've got school, we've got everything in the world going on. If you forget about your court date, your arraignment on that speeding ticket, here's what could happen. Okay, the judge could issue a bench warrant, all right, for failure to appear. That means that there's an arrest warrant that's active out there waiting for law enforcement to arrest you. If you go through, just a license check and they run your license, it'll come back, that bench warrant's there, you'd be arrested. You don't want that to happen. In my experience, clients have these bench warrants executed against them at the worst times, even on their way to a child's wedding. Okay, so it's very serious. You don't want that to happen. The second thing that could happen is they could even do, on top of bench warrant, they could do a 9/12 suspension. All right, a 9/12 suspension suspends your driver's license. So if you have any contact with law enforcement, you get pulled over for another speeding, a seatbelt violation, anything, running a red light, anything like that, and they check your license, they're going to see that your license is suspended. Okay, there may be a bench warrant for your arrest, but your license will be suspended. A vast majority of the time in Georgia, if your license is suspended, they will arrest you. And here's the thing, the fine for a suspended license in Georgia is higher than it is for a DUI. So it's a very serious charge. So don't ignore that. So here's what I recommend doing if you have forgotten about your court date or missed your court date. I recommend that you contact the best criminal defense attorney that's available to you in that area where you got that ticket, because that attorney can work to get the bench warrant or the 9/12 suspension lifted and resolve your situation without you having to go back in and be arrested and go through that whole procedure. Usually that's what can happen. Now, I've been doing this for over 25 years, representing people all over the state of Georgia. If you've got a question or you run into this situation, please let us know. We'll be glad to talk with you. You can message us on Facebook, or you can reach us at 833-927-6227. And at my law firm, the George McCranie Law Firm, like I say, located in Douglas and Valdosta, we'll be glad to help you answer your questions and help you get the answers that you need to navigate your way through this system. All right? Thank y'all. Have a great day. And remember, admit nothing, deny everything, and demand proof.